On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make healthy barbecue. And yes, it does exist. Let's get to cooking. So, as a lot of you can tell, over the last 6-8 months, I've lost about 40 pounds. This is my main go-to dish, and honestly, this has been my main go-to dish the majority of my life. And I'm not even joking. This is what I grew up on, and this is Mediterranean food. So what we have here is some chicken breasts, some tomatoes. These are genetically enhanced somewhere. What the is this? But I do love them on skewers. Purple onions, green onions. We have our southern chicken and our garlic. I got my rice cooker running. It'll be sitting right here in a few minutes. I don't actually like the Mediterranean rice now that I've had this. I do like it, but I like it in a different way with the potatoes on the bottom, crispy. If you know, you know. Let's go ahead and get this trimmed up. I got my little skewers right here. Like I said, this is something I grew up on my entire life. You can eat this every day and lose a ton of weight and do wonders for your cardiovascular if you just go out and walk a little bit. So let's get it trimmed up. We have a ton of chicken here. What I like to do is cut them into bite-sized cubes. I ain't gonna lie, my wife usually does this, so thank gosh we're using a sharp knife. Bing, Kosmo. I just cut them in like 1-inch cubes. Let's go ahead and start getting her on.
What are these skewers? These look nice.
These are actually family heirlooms right here. Yeah, these been in our family for, I don't know, how long, babe? 6-8 months? We're not even drinking too. That's the.
You got them at the As Seen on TV store.
Yeah. Boom, just like that. A lot of people do like meat, veggies. That's dumb as shit. Keep all the meat, it cooks the same. Keep it on one skewer. Then you put all the veggies that cook the same on another skewer. I don't need no salmonella. Boom, 2 nice looking skewers there. 2 nice looking skewers. Kill the chicken glove. I'm gonna go ahead and season this up. Southern chicken and garlic. And I'm gonna tell you right now, when I started losing weight, I thought, well, I can just probably find somebody else that has a seasoning that is low sodium, no sugar, and they absolutely taste like shit. And I was like, this is what world champions do. We make the same thing, but we just make it taste good. Let's just go ahead and hit it. Now the garlic. This is my favorite, man. This is so good. So let's get the tomatoes going. The onions seem to hold the tightest. So I'll start with an onion. These are so good when you get a little char on them. Tomato. And then I'm done right there. Done, just like that. I like them about like that. Usually about 3 or 4 leaves. We got the Weber running in the background. Let's head on over and get to cooking this. That is so damn hot. But look at them suckers already. Come on now.
Veggies are gonna look good too.
So way back in the day, 6 months ago, when Jamie came home from Walmart with these, I always get them flat. Don't get round ones. What the the round ones are for corn dogs. Flat ones. Let's get these moved over here. Get a little char on these dudes. Don't be scared. That's what I'm talking about, son. It's gonna be good. This is actually gonna be my lunch now that I think about it. I got a ways to go. Keep moving. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now we wait. That one's jumping up quick. Yeah, they're done. Dude. Come on now. All right, so at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything plated up, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this looks and smells freaking fantastic. So, super simple, super easy. Pull your skewer right out. Boom. Man, I love onions like that. That little bit of char like that. Yes, sir. Pull them apart. Now I like to hit my rice with a little bit of spray butter. You use whatever kind of butter you like. I'll hit that chicken too. Garlic. Phenomenal on rice. And now, all we got to do is taste it. Give that rice a nice little mixy mix. Always like to get a piece of onion. Suck that up there, buddy. Get on there. All right. Perfectly cooked tomato. Fantastic. Now obviously this is a lot of food. I wouldn't eat this much food. This would be like what my wife and I would eat. You split this in half, this whole thing's probably less than 600 calories. So you're looking at a 300 calorie meal that is honestly just damn good. Damn good. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe right here, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes. Print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. And the next video is way unhealthy compared to this, like way unhealthy. Grab that lid for me then. Thank you, bro. Over here, bro, over here. I'm gonna work on these guns now. Woo, sorry, man, sorry.